Hi guys! May gusto akong i-share sa inyo na bagong Japanese restaurant na na-discover ko here sa Makati. And honestly, small lang siya pero sobrang lakas ng dating. Haro Izakaya yung name and from the outside pa lang mapapansin mo na agad siya because of the bright colors and the very Japanese vibe. Once na makita mo yung loob niya, mapifeel mo na agad yung small Japanese restaurants na mga nakikita natin sa Japan food trips or Japan travel. Hindi ko man masasabi na exactly ganun siya since hindi pa naman ako personally nakakapunta sa Japan. Pero yung ambience, very Japanese talaga. Ganitong-ganito yung mga napapanood kong mukbang na nasa Japan travel sila. Open sila dito Tuesday to Sunday, 5 p.m. only to 10 p.m. Wala silang reservation, so possible talaga na may waiting time, especially since trending sila ngayon sa Instagram and we waited for just around 5 minutes naman. Good thing, may free wifi sila and while waiting, you can scan the QR code, check the menu and prices, and decide na kung ano yung gusto mong orderin. By the way, cash basis lang sila dito, so make sure na may dala kayong cash. Maliit lang yung dining area nila and halos nakapalibot lang siya dun sa mismong kitchen. Fully air-conditioned naman. Gusto ko yung menu nila kasi hindi siya sobrang dami. Hindi ka ma-overwhelm kakapili. For our meal, we got their gyudon set for 468 pesos. And guys, look at that serving. Generous siya and yung thinly sliced beef nila sobrang sarap. Savory with a little sweetness, tapos tender and flavorful talaga yung meat nila. Nilagyan din namin siya nitong Nanami Togarashi. Ito yung Japanese 7-spice chili seasoning and ang sarap ng combination. May konting kick pero hindi overpowering. Kasama sa set yung miso soup and tamagoyaki and their tamagoyaki, nako, it's giving. Ang sarap, ang fluffy, na may konting sweetness. We also tried their tempura for 280 pesos and honestly, isa to sa mga favorite tempura na natikman ko. Light and crispy yung butter tapos juicy yung shrimp inside. Even lang din yung size ng shrimp dun sa butter. They also have different kind of skewers and grilled items. So we tried their chicken and leek skewers and of course, hindi rin namin pinalampas yung chicken teriyaki nila. Sobrang flavorful and definitely one of the dishes na babalik-balikan ko dito sa kanila. Ang juicy and sobrang flavorful nung meat nuot sa marination. Maumami siya and may konting kick ng sweetness. Definitely, you should try this chicken teriyaki. Sobrang sarap. Tapos we also tried their jigoku ramen. Bagay na bagay sa weather natin ngayon. I actually discovered Haro Izakaya because I saw it na trending siya sa Instagram and now I understand why. Kasi after tasting the food ourselves, masasabi kong ma-justify mo talaga yung hype. Small restaurant siya, but terrible in the way possible. Especially yung gyudon nila. We've tried a lot of gyudon, pero yung sa kanila, kakaiba talaga eh. You can taste the quality of the meat, you can feel the texture, and yung balance ng flavor. Everything just works perfectly. And for 468 pesos for the whole set, for me, it's really giving. So if you're looking for a new Japanese spot to try here in Makati, na hindi basta lang maganda yung ambience and interiors, kundi masarap din yung food, definitely add Haro Izakaya to your list. Small place, limited hours, cash only, no reservations, but the